अच्छे क्लब है, वहां पे अच्छे क्रिकेटर को रखना पड़ेगा। बड़ी अच्छी बॉलिंग
जी। अरहम नवाब डॉट बॉल की इस मौके पर, और भी अच्छे यंगस्टर हैं और इस शॉट पर ऊंचा खेलना चाहते थे, फील्डर गेंद के नीचे आएंगे और आसानी से इस गेंद को दबोच लिया। 98 रन अभी भी बनाने को हैं 70 गेंदों पर। एक और ऑफ स्पिन डिलीवरी और जबरदस्त कॉटन बोल्ड मुकम्मल कर लिया अरहम नवाब ने।
ये देखें, सलमान जो थे एक्स्ट्रा कवर की तरफ मारना चाह रहे थे, टॉप एज लगा और कितना उम्दा कैच किया है नवाब ने, डाइव करके अपनी लेफ्ट साइड पे।
4 ही फील्डर अभी भी रिंग के अंदर। दूसरी गेंद की थी ये अरहम नवाब ने, बहुत अच्छी गेंद, एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर रहे थे। राना नवीदुल हसन ने भी इस गेंद को सराहा।
एग्जैक्टली थिंकिंग से बॉलिंग की, बाहर निकाला हुआ बॉल, उम्दा शॉट राना नवीदुल हसन की तरफ से और उतनी उम्दा फील्डिंग, रन सेव किया।
हाथ से गेंद ना निकले और फुल डिलीवरी। तो डॉट बॉल के साथ ही होगा 9वें ओवर का इख्तिताम। In the com box, Arham Nawab continues with his off spin.
Yeah, exactly. He's just bowled a phenomenal last over. He's got 2 wickets and given away only 1 runs.
Another flashy delivery, edged and simple as you like. Straightforward catch, picks up his 3rd for the game. Nice line and length from Arham Nawab. Line of the batter's arc. Faster one this time. Wanted to get through his defense. That was good work from the keeper. Cheeky attempt. The other one, he bowls that so beautifully in such a rare delivery. We've seen off spinners almost disappear from world cricket on a larger scale because that other delivery being made so difficult with that 15-degree angle, and people like Saeed will still have loads to say about that. Finishes the 11th, the talented Arham Nawab. Beautiful delivery once again. That's the one we were talking about. This one goes straight on. This one again goes the other way. He's causing the batsman a lot of trouble. 10 deliveries he's faced, just on 2. Brings it back in once again. Spinning right, left and centre. Brings it back in, and the umpire will raise his finger, no doubts there. Pulled him, cleaned him up right through his defences, and we were just talking about how he could become the first bowler in this tournament to pick up a 5-wicket haul, and he's done it in his style. Arham Nawab once again back into the attack, and with him it seems like he'll get a delivery to get through the defences of the batsman almost every time. Oh, another one. Goes for the drive and right through his defences. He's impressing all and sundry here. Yeah, an unconventional stroke from Asim Bashir. Flatted this time, and there's another opportunity. Will he get his 6th? Absolutely. No doubt about that one. 6 wickets to his name in a T20 game. What a performance by the young lad. Played on the onside for a single. I've never seen figures like that in a T20 game. 6 for 4 at the end of 4 overs. Arham Nawab, what a performance. Abdul Razak enjoying that one, giving him the pat on the back.